Don't mind if I do. So here I've got the Boucle in a melange mix. Neutral, sort of woven into each other, black and white bits of wool there. Feels really nice and it feels like really sort of like hardy. It's not too soft, which is something that I really enjoy. For the Boucle Cream, which is just more of the same, but it's just in a plain cream tone. I really like it because it is kind of a bit of a short pile. It feels a lot hardier. The weave of it, it's a bit more natural to the touch, which is what this brand is good for. The last one that I want to show you here, and my favorite is the Grey Mix Dune Rug. And this has got a beautiful, really thick, woolly texture to it. So bouncy and soft, it's quite luxurious. Not perhaps the kind of thing you want if you have babies or small pets in the house, but for all of you there living your single dreams, this is fantastic. Get yourself one of these. And a bit like the melange mix that they have, it's also interwoven with different sorts of threads. So as you can see from the Grey Mix here, it's got the neutral cream threads interwoven with maybe about 10% of this grey wool. Gives it a bit of texture, makes it look more vibrant from afar. And it's almost like it's saying it, yeah. Touch me, baby.